Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a closer look at the brand new BRED toes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so starting off with the shoe, it's you can obviously tell that it looks just like the shattered backboard, as in it has the colored on the back with a black swoosh, a cream mid panel, and a red toe box. And honestly, this leather is as good as the shattered backboard quality. So it's A1 quality, you know, like an overall great shoe. This shoe literally feels so good. Look, you guys see this? Look at that creasing. It looks amazing. This is the kind of shoe that you can wear this every day, and after a month, it'll look even better than it did when you got it out of the box. That's honestly the best thing about Jordan 1s. And I'll show you guys the shoe that this is based off of. This shoe is obviously based off of the black toe one. And as you guys can see, there's many similarities, but the only big difference is that on the toe box, this one is white and this one is red. That's why it's called the BRED toe, because it's like the front of the shoe is a BRED and the back is a black toe. That's why it's called a BRED toe. Overall, one of the best shoes. And one other shoe that looks similar to this is the Jordan 1 Gold toe that just came out. So as you guys can see, side by side like this, the shoes look exactly the same, except this one has gold color blocking with black, and this one has red, black, and white. This is an amazing comparison to these shoes. I'm really glad that both of these came out. This one, of course, in more limited quantities than this shoe, but overall, they're both very nice shoes. This one being patent leather, of course, it's harder to crease it up and make it look good. But this shoe right here, by far the best colorway of any Jordan 1 that's come out this year. Honestly, I'd give it over this just because I don't like the black side of this. It doesn't look as good as just this shoe. And, you know, overall a great shoe. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And let's get on to the on-field.
Smoke chlorophyll till they can't feel shit, face, this 15 hits on this L. Elevated train and the craziest thing got me feeling like Lauren Hill. Miseducated, my dick delegated, rap bill belling me to said I should've never made it, probably should've been dead or in jail. There be dad, enough of that jazz, asshole absent up in that glass. Are we there yet? Ice cubes in a bone, rip brain dead, take a tuck and then pass. I think we all addicted, yeah. I think we all addicted. Really though, I think we all addicted.